Okay, these are the queen that I catch today. They're about 20 there. I use the other two anyway, so that's good. I'm gonna use this for my split, which I'm going to do after lunch. And I'm happy with the result of the yard. They're pretty much about 95% success rate. So cool. That's the one. Boy. Okay, I'm here now in the yard. I am doing splits using this hive doctor that my son and my wifey assembled last night. So it's either I will put some cells here or a mated one. So we're gonna try this one this season. So we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it will be good. And yeah, it's quite easy to use because there's this entrance there, which and then it says press 1 to release and lift 2, that one. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll go to the next one. This one. Hold on. There is the Marcel and Sons there. They must have all good. Oh well, it's a crazy afternoon. I just unloaded the split nucs and then also the gears for splitting, and then comes the rain again. It's a heavy downpour at the moment, as you can see in the background there. Oh my goodness me, how can we work with this kind of weather? So it's really hit and go, hit and run. So anyway, that's how it goes, and then hopefully we can still finish the job on time before the sales will due tomorrow. Anyway, let's just work with the situation with the weather, and then hopefully it will be turn out to be okay. There's a bee here. Okay. Come on out, Gil. That's the one. Oh well. Let's see how it goes. Now it's getting over there. It's sunny, but in this area it's bloody rainy. well, that's how it goes. Okay, we'll just wait and wait and wait.